Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, September 28, 2023. It is 3:06 and 30 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, atomic shapes. So let's hop to it here. Machine learning unravels mysteries of atomic shapes. Date September 25th, 2023. Source: University of Nottingham. New research has used machine learning to find the properties of atomic pieces of geometry in pioneering work that could drive the development of new results in mathematics. The research group started their work to create a periodic table for shapes several years ago. The atomic pieces are called faunal varieties. The team associated a sequence of numbers called quantum periods to each shape, giving a barcode or fingerprint that describes the shape. Their recent breakthrough uses a new machine learning methodology to sift very quickly through these barcodes, identifying shapes and their properties, such as the dimension of each shape. As for mathematicians, the key step is working out what the pattern is in a given problem. This can be very difficult, and some mathematical theories can take years to discover. The bioinformatics of computer programmers and artificial intelligence could really revolutionize mathematics, as they have shown that machine learning is a powerful tool for spotting patterns in complex domains like algebra and geometry. And this is a professor of space technology, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and later of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.